Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is install a WordPress theme. But before we do that, I recommend to disable plugins. So over here under plugins, let's click on installed plugins. So here are the plugins that are active on your website, but I do recommend to disable plugins before you import templates because there can cause conflict. So to disable plugins, right here, I'll click on all plugins, go right here and click on deactivate. We can always turn these plugins back on a little bit later, but just to make sure the import process works smoothly, I recommend to disable all plugins. The next thing that we're gonna do is install a WordPress theme. So over here under appearance, let's click on themes. Here at the top, I'll click on add theme. Now every website with WordPress requires a WordPress theme. Now there's a huge variety of themes out there, but when it comes to building e-commerce website, there is one theme that stands out more than others. So here at the top under search themes, let's type in Bloxy. The Bloxy theme is hands down the #1 best rated e-commerce theme for WordPress. It offers the most features, great templates, and it's very simple to use. So over here under Bloxy, let's click on install. Next, let's click on activate. Okay, so once you install the Bloxy theme, right here, you're going to install the Bloxy Companion plugin. So go ahead and click on this button. All right, so once you install the Bloxy Companion plugin, it'll then bring you to the Bloxy dashboard. Here you can view the theme options, you can view starter sites. They also have some additional extensions you can add to your website, like cookie consents. Here is some plugins they recommend, and also here is the changelog. So any sort of time they make an update, all the changes will be here automatically. And they actually do update this theme quite often, so you can always be certain that this theme is up to date and it's secure. So right here, let's go ahead and click on starter sites. Now here we have a huge list of templates you can install on your websites, but before we do that, over here under all plans, let's click on this and select free. And then for the builder, you want to select Elementor. So here is a list of available free e-commerce templates you can easily import on your websites. Now for this video, I recommend to follow me and select this template here. So we're gonna select this template called Garderobe. This is the template right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna import this template, practice on it, and then after you understand the basics, you can then switch to any other template you choose. But to get started with, over here under Garderobe, let's click on import. The first thing you're gonna do is choose the page builder. Now, Gutenberg is terrible. Do not use that builder. It is the native builder with WordPress and it sucks. Everyone hates it. We're gonna go with Elementor, the #1 best page builder for WordPress. So go ahead and select Elementor and click on next. Here you wanna make sure these are all selected. So this is going to import the theme options, the widgets, the content, and make sure that this is a clean install. So right here, I'll also click on next. You want to make sure all these plugins are selected. This is the page builder, this is the contact form, and WooCommerce is the shopping cart integration. So right here, let's go ahead now and click on install. And now it's going to install all this on your website. So just give this process like 1 minute. Okay, so once the site has been imported, right here, you'll click on view site. And here we go. Just like that, we now have a brand new e-commerce website that was created for us in a matter of seconds. So here at the top, we have our menu, we have our landing page. Now you can obviously change this image to anything else, and I'll walk you through how to do that. Scrolling down, you'll see that we have some, just some upsells like that most e-commerce websites have, like free delivery, 30-day return, secure payment, and stuff like that. Below that, we have some dummy products. And then of course, you can just swap your products for these products here. Scrolling down, we have some product categories such as jackets, sweaters, and accessories. And below that, we have popular products. So maybe you want to put like your most trending products here, or even put a specific category. And then here we just have some upsells and more information about the website. So as you can see, the website imported successfully and it looks great. Let's go ahead now and scroll up. Now there's also a variety of pages. So here under the products page, this is actually your shop page. And what's great about Blocksy is that they import this really nice sidebar. They have a filterable gallery right here. They have top rated products. Here they have this upsell here on the left side. Maybe this is like a note from the owner saying, hey, we really care about quality and we're glad you're shopping on the websites. And then of course, here we have a list of all of the products. And then you also have just the other typical pages like the services page, about us page. So it'll import all these pages directly onto your websites.